Nag-mature na ang first MP2 account na ginawa ko noong May 2019. Naghulog ako ng one-time contribution na 200,000 pesos and annual payout ang pinili ko para sa dividend payments. Kaya nakukuha ko ang aking dividend yearly. Sa mga nalilito, dividend lang ang pwedeng ma-withdraw pag annual payout ang pinili mo, hindi kasama ang capital. Ang capital ay makukuha lang after 5 years. Take note, pag annual payout ang pinili mong option, i-withdraw mo ang dividend mo yearly kasi hindi siya mag-earn ng additional na dividend. Pang 5-year end term lang ang merong compounded dividend. Merong two options kung paano mag-withdraw ng matured MP2 savings. Yung first option is the traditional way of withdrawing your MP2 savings by visiting Pag-ibig Fund Office in person. So when you visit the office, make sure to bring two valid IDs and then fill out the application for Provident Benefits Claim Form and then submit your request over the counter. Second option is to withdraw your matured MP2 savings online. Pero pwede mo lang gawin ito kapag meron kang Loyalty Card Plus. Whether AUB or Union Bank Loyalty Card Plus, pwede kang mag-withdraw online. Ngayon, kung wala kang Loyalty Card Plus, ang option mo lang is over the counter. So, kailangan mong pupunta sa any Pag-ibig Fund na office na malapit sa'yo. Other option is to assign a representative to withdraw it for you pero kailangan ng special power of attorney. Isi-share ko yung actual withdrawal process na ginawa ko sa aking matured MP2 savings online. To withdraw your MP2 savings online, punta ka sa virtual Pag-ibig Fund na website. pag-ibigfundservices.com, virtual Pag-ibig. Claim Pag-ibig Savings, MP2 Savings Maturity. And ito yung mga requirements. Download the claim application form. Kailangan mong i-fill up yung form and then scan or take a picture because you will upload this later. And then, ito naman yung guide kung paano mag-fill up ng application form. So, tignan nyo na lang ito as reference to make sure na tama yung ipapasok nyong information sa claim application form. Need ng one valid ID. Kailangan may picture, may birthday, may signature. And then copy of your cash card. Kailangan din ng selfie photo showing your ID and cash card. Click proceed and then validate your account. Input the MP2 account number. Validate. Good news, you are eligible to claim your Pag-ibig savings. Click proceed to continue with your application. Proceed. Validate your account. Input email address. There are two options, mode of release via Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus or release through check. Select cash card. Input cash card number. Check Loyalty Card Plus status. Okay, valid yung card ko. Click next. Proceed with your application. One-time PIN will be sent to your mobile number. And then input the one-time PIN. Click proceed. Submit your application. Download the claim application form. Kasi kailangan itong i-fill up and then scan or take a picture and you will upload it. Upload your ID and then upload din yung selfie photo. Click submit. Okay, submit your application. Okay. Ayan. So, you have successfully submitted your Pag-ibig Savings Claim Application. I submitted yung MP2 claim application ko online noong May 9. Nakalagay dito, once approved, you will receive a text message from Pag-ibig Fund informing you that your application form has been approved. Today is May 28. Almost 3 weeks na since I submitted my claim application online. Pwedeng i-check ang status of claims online. Punta ka lang sa Virtual Pag-ibig website, claim Pag-ibig Savings, check status of claims. Fill out the form, input the MP2 account number, click next, and then OTP will be sent sa registered phone. Input the OTP, and then click proceed. Approve na daw ang claim ko noong May 27, pero wala pa akong natatanggap na text message from Pag-ibig Fund. So I checked sa Virtual Pag-ibig ngayon, May 28, zero na siya pero hindi pa pumapasok yung amount sa loyalty cash card ko. Kahapon May 27, nung nag-check ako sa Virtual Pag-ibig, nandito pa siya. So maybe it will take another 2 to 3 days. I'll make a separate short video to provide an update kung gaano katagal ang inabot bago ma-deposit ang MP2 savings ko sa aking loyalty cash card. Ito ang dividends na nakuha ko from May 2019 to 2024. Annual payout ang pinili ko. Yung sa January to April 2024, ang dividend rate na ginamit ay yung latest dividend rate na 7.05%, which is yung dividend rate ng 2023. Tama naman ang computation. Total dividends ko for 5 years ay 66,470 pesos. Rate of return ay 33.37%. Pero kung ginawa kong 5-year end term at compounded dividend, total dividends for 5 years ay 76,539 pesos. Merong difference na 10,069 pesos. If you want to grow your money and experience the power of compounding, choose 5-year end term para mas malaki ang makukuha mo after 5 years.